Tolerance-based machining in SOLIDWORKS CAM introduces powerful new capabilities that dramatically reduce the time required to generate CNC programs for parts with close tolerances and surface finish requirements. Leveraging DIM expert dimensions and model-based definition information applied directly to the 3D model, with just a single button click, SOLIDWORKS CAM automatically applies your preferred machining strategies to the part based on the tolerance scheme. If the tolerance specification of a feature changes, SOLIDWORKS CAM automatically updates the machining operations using predefined rules that match your manufacturing best practices. Parts that took hours or even days to program can be programmed automatically in minutes. Asymmetric tolerances can be adjusted to mean values, and all of the tools, speeds, feeds, and depth of cuts are automatically selected to meet the model-based design requirements. Tolerance-based machining in SOLIDWORKS CAM streamlines design to manufacture, leveraging the power of model-based definition to automate CNC programming and reduce overall delivery times.